When was the last time you wandered down a road just for the sake of it? And have you ever been to a place just because it was a place and you have 2 good feet?
Is it traced in the stars? Is it all of it? I think it's all of it. I hear you in melody, and every word of the song. Are you part of me? I think you're part of me. And you say yeah. I think I could get used to this. You say yeah. I think I could. And you say yeah. I think I could get used to this. You say yeah.
Cheers.
I can feel it in the future. I can see it in the culture. I see the moon as the sunrise. See the stars with my morning eyes. Like a bear in the forest, like the heat in the conscience. I take a walk through the tree line, getting on with Father Time. When do I begin? When do I? I've been waiting in the sunshine, looking round like a storming, drying out like a histamine. I'm the warden on the front line, the yellow soldier on a dead mine. Listen, lover, won't you call me? Well, I'm a sucker for some harmony. Oh my, oh my, surefire, setting sun gonna set on me. Oh my, no my, surefire, the setting sun wants company.
You see, I'm not sure what the secret to happiness is, but I'm pretty sure it starts when you go outside.